Excuse me?
For theft. That's what we're going to
Theft?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, Jetta, can you please help? For theft?
What's going on?
He literally just paid for everything.
You will not believe what went down at this Walmart. A silly woman thought she had the ultimate shoplifting hack. Little did she know store security and the cops were already onto her. Stick around because this one is wild.
Yeah, because you're going to find out certain prices and everything.
Yeah.
So this is a receipt your person handed me.
Alright.
So whatever's legit or whatever's not legit, just let me know and I'll annotate that. Yep. If you can start with the footage, please.
You can just take him out, right? And
No.
it's fine?
You go to jail for that.
I don't go to jail for that.
I'm going to see this shit. You don't go to jail for that.
You don't go to jail for
theft?
Why didn't you pay for it?
I didn't ask, I'm sorry.
It's a crime.
But he can totally pay for him.
Meet Mary. She thought she had cracked the system, slapping clearance tags on expensive items and sneaking merchandise into her purse. A genius move? Maybe. If security wasn't watching her every step.
I'm sorry, that's just kind of, I'm sorry.
That's $94? It was scanned as what?
Like,
94 cents?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, she scanned it for 94 cents. And it's $94. Okay, so it cost $94, but she scanned it as 94 cents. Okay.
That's like saying, yeah, I killed him, but I'm sorry about it after the fact.
literally.
Just because we're sorry about doing something after. No, you can't. Nope. I have the money, dude. Price for everything.
I mean, you got clearance stuff.
Were the clearance tags on them already when you picked them up?
Yeah, we went shopping in the clearance, in all the different clearance
Wait,
areas.
hold on.
Is there ID there?
I'm gonna explain something to you guys real quick, okay?
I'll get ID.
The officer's gonna question both of you about everything that happened today. Before you give the answers, I want you to stand up. You stand up.
Oh, yes,
Here,
sir.
come over here.
It's $50.
Look at all these cameras.
So,
Okay, we've been watching you the entire time. Have a seat.
Okay.
So before these officers start asking you these questions and before you answer, keep in mind that that's all those cameras
$50.
you've been watching the whole time.
Excuse me.
I guess obviously see what's going on. I would clearly see how you can do anything. Can I? Like,
The officer's gonna talk to you about all that.
okay.
Where's your ID at, sir?
I don't have it.
You don't have any ID?
Yeah, it's in my wallet.
In your wallet? Which one's your wallet? This one right here? Okay. Where's your ID located, man?
I do not have one on me.
You do not have ID on you?
I'm sorry.
This is the items that was in your purse?
Everything is right here. Is all in their purse. This is all that was on.
Okay.
I believe this is a purple can.
Give me 2 minutes, okay? I'll come back. I got some questions for you guys. Is there a monetary value for APAD? Obviously, if it's not a felony.
Not a felony.
Okay. But I don't think they reached the threshold. I don't think they're at 750.
If they're not at 750.
I would have to add them. Subtotals. This one's $48. This one's $143. So
I don't have a problem with him waiting out there.
Her friend was deemed to be innocent and was proved to have bought his goods at the proper price. He was told he could wait outside for her while the police interrogate Mary.
So for right now, I just need you to collect your stuff. You're more than welcome to wait outside to see what happens, but for right now, you are free to leave.
Is there any possibility?
We'll talk about that outside, okay?
So this is going to happen, right? Remember, we have a program that's called APAD. It is for first-time offenders. So if she's a first-time offender in theft,
Yes.
she'll be APAD eligible, meaning she's going to get almost like a court date for community service.
Okay.
And as long as she fulfills all her obligations, it won't count against her record.
So she won't get arrested today then?
If I'm waiting for dispatch to confirm. So I'm assuming you guys came here together in a vehicle. You want to wait in your car? You want to wait out here?
I would like to wait to see what happens.
Okay, I'm gonna close this door though.
Anyway,
Hey, my man, that's something you should have talked to her before this shit happens.
No,
All right?
I mean, I'll pay.
I don't, bro. This ain't my store.
I get it.
This ain't my store. You know what I mean? That's Walmart. Walmart wants to continue, so we're gonna.
They're I mean, do they want? They're not willing to take.
That's
the
what we're.
payment?
That's what we're gonna talk about. All right? Just wait right here.
Did you pay, is this stuff you paid for?
Yes.
So whatever you paid.
This is all legit.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna push it out.
price tag for putting it on $20.
So this is all your stuff that was paid for legitimately?
Okay.
Well, you know why you're here. You know why you're in handcuffs, okay? We have reason to believe that you committed theft here at the Walmart. Yeah, there's video evidence of you putting an item in your purse.
I did.
There is video evidence of you putting tags on merchandise that did not belong to that merchandise to pay a cheaper price.
I did switch that. He didn't know about that,
Okay.
honestly.
And that's why he's not in cuffs. Okay. So was this a spur of the moment thing? Did you plan to do this? Or
No, I just
you saw somebody else do it before and you're like, let me try this out?
I had a friend who had done it, and it seemed like a phenomenal idea, which I'm sorry, that's ridiculous. I'm sorry, but it's obviously not a phenomenal idea.
No.
I won't do it anymore ever again.
Okay.
That's crazy.
So when you walked into the store today, was that your plan? To switch?
Not really, no, but when I hit the clearance aisle, it kind of just, I remembered.
So you went to the clearance aisle, you saw, hey, these prices are a lot cheaper, let me take these stickers and put them on higher priced items. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess. It's not like I had a conscious stream of regular stream of consciousness about it. I just kind of was like, oh yeah, she did the thing. I wonder if that would work.
How'd that work out for you?
Has not yet.
Okay.
Don't plan on trying it. You sure that he can't
Listen,
pay
if
for
he's out here
everything?
waiting just to find out what happens.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So as of now, you put $48 worth of merchandise in your purse that they scanned,
I had no idea. I'm sorry.
and you switched tickets and scanned items that are worth $143.98.
Okay.
That you
Can you just pay that?
that is not up to me. Okay,
Please.
that is up to the store. They are the victims.
Really, I'm so sorry. I literally won't ever fucking do it again. I swear to God, he'll pay you guys for it.
So it was like
Because our policy.
less than 200 and something.
Please.
So,
Is there anything that I can do? Anything at all? I feel like there's gotta be something.
huh?
Like I'll make a fucking Walmart commercial or something.
What
Like
are
What was in
I'm
her
so
purse?
sorry.
Did you grab
It's the
anything?
dumbest thing
I
I've
grabbed
ever done.
So that's the point of conversation.
Purple spray.
They have her for the tinks, the folding knife,
Yeah.
the off, and the clear view.
The off was the purple one.
Yeah, so that's what they scanned. So that's $4.98.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna let people know these don't work, just so you know.
To see if you grabbed all the stuff that she.
Yeah, we went
You
there.
grabbed that already? Okay, I didn't see that.
Okay. So this is what's going to happen. Okay, we're waiting for confirmation
Okay,
from.
you guys can't have anything to do with if I pay for it or not, and they can't say anything whether I pay for it or not. It's like, who is that up to?
That is up. If that's a Walmart, if it's a Walmart policy,
Can I see the policy? Is there an actual policy about it, or do you guys just not want to let me do it?
okay. This is
I'm
what's
not
going
trying to be a
happen.
dick. I just
Okay.
really don't want to go to jail for
Well,
this.
this is what's going to happen. Okay. I'm checking with dispatch. If you have no prior theft convictions, we have what's called an APAD program. It stands for, I don't even know what the fuck it stands for, but it stands for something.
It's like a
It's a diversion program,
program.
okay? Because the
Okay.
jails are full and they want to have one-time offenders learn their lesson. It's pretty much community service.
I will tell you, I did go to jail for that theft I told you about, but it was
Charge.
dropped.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's the twist. Mary technically qualifies for the Get Out of Jail Free card, a first-time offender program called APAD. No criminal record if she completes community service. Lucky break, right? But she's still panicking.
So please tell me more about this 8-pack or whatever.
Go ahead.
What was you said you stole stuff at another Walmart recently too?
No, they filed a police report online because he had a picture of me looking at something that he said I took that I ended up purchasing like a week or two later. After I bought a bike the day he took the pictures, right? And I looked at a headlight for that bike, right? And so then I didn't get the headlight because I didn't have the $20 for it that day, but I came back like 2 weeks later and I bought it. Let me get the name.
Yeah.
I'm trying to write it neater for you because I already got your dispatch.
Okay.
So APAD's only for prior thefts, right? Has nothing to do with anything else?
No, it has to do with felonies too.
I don't
Okay.
have any of those.
Well,
No charges.
April.
And they,
What's to do with the drug stuff? And
It was all dropped. Everything was dropped.
so there's no case.
There's nothing withstanding.
There's nothing that tells us the status of the case.
What?
yeah.
I literally was in jail for it, and it was dropped. Like it was. It
And what was it
literally-
for?
I was.
She's an assistant too.
And
Okay.
they seen it on me, and my boyfriend.
So we gotta
was
trespass.
And there was
No,
there's paraphernalia around us, and they tested it, and it tested positive for whatever. And
You wanna
they
just-
were supposed to
you wanna just tell her now,
around me.
trespass
It was
from
at
the
a
store?
homeless camp. So there's a lot of shit there. You know what I mean? Sorry.
So here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna be trespassed from the store and this parking lot. If we see you anywhere in the store or near the parking lot whatsoever or in it, we're gonna call PD and we're gonna have to see what happens.
Right. Understood.
Do you have one?
I do.
And it's gonna be indefinitely, by the way.
Yeah. So
Understood.
they call, we spot you here, we're gonna check it, you're gonna get arrested for trespassing, okay? So don't not come back
Don't worry
here.
about
So now dispatch is gonna check, because Tampa
Yeah.
doesn't tell us the disposition of that felony.
Yeah, it's literally everything was dropped.
Okay, well,
Sorry.
if they can't confirm it, I can't take your word for it,
How would they not be able to confirm that?
because Tampa doesn't talk to the rest of us.
So what if but you're gonna talk to Tampa, right? Like
They're
right?
doing all the talking, yeah.
The-
Let me explain the program
Sorry, yes.
in the event that you are eligible for the program.
Pass your fingers for me while you're explaining.
Okay, and let me get this out of the way. I get no pleasure in taking people to jail.
I understand.
I get paid the same, whether I'm drinking a coffee or I'm putting you in jail. Right? Putting you in jail is more paperwork for me.
I don't want to do that to you, honestly.
Okay, well,
Quite
you
honestly.
shouldn't have shoplifted,
I should not have. I
especially
shan't
not at
again.
my Walmart. So the APAC program, they're going to check if you're eligible, if you're eligible or whatnot, and they figure that out. It's almost like a community service. You are agreeing to present yourself to
I do
court.
that voluntarily.
You're telling the courts that you're going to show up when they tell you to show up, and you're going to do whatever they tell you to do, whether it be clean up a highway, do whatever you got to do. And then this charge does not stay on your record because you fulfilled your APAD criteria. Okay.
I don't want to have a record.
If you are not eligible, then you're going to be charged with theft. You're going to go straight to jail.
Right, right. So I have zero record. I know this for
Okay.
a fact. Like it was, everything was completely dropped. They couldn't. There was no weight. I didn't have any drugs on me. It was just paraphernalia that was at the place where I was. So they couldn't. There were nothing they could actually charge me with. You know what I mean? Because I didn't have anything on my person.
Yeah.
I didn't have anything. There was like a baggie they
Are
found
you
next
reading
to
the
me.
charge?
Yeah.
Or
So
something.
Oh, your APAD cheat sheet?
my little iPad cheat sheet.
You
So
look so familiar. I'm sorry.
I do?
I'm like weirdly looking at you. I'm not trying to. I'm sorry.
convictions must be reviewed to determine eligibility. No misdemeanor convictions within 2 years. No felony convictions within 5 years. Withholding of adjudications is considered a conviction. No disposition will require further investigations, and no sexual offense.
None of that. What's withhold of adjudication? What's that?
Like that, they decided pretty much like not to prosecute the gun. You know, they're like, hey, we're not going to do charges. So like the charges weren't dropped. It's like I don't know, kind of like it's weird to explain.
So it's like drop
Give me a
without
second.
dropping. They just
yeah,
like
pretty much.
Despite the small ray of hope, Mary was not APAD eligible and was taken to jail. So what's the lesson here? Don't try to outsmart Walmart's security. They've seen it all. But now we want to hear from you. Do you think she deserved a second chance? Should Walmart have let her pay and walk away? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.